Let's now familiarize ourselves with the fuel flow through the pump and the manner in which rail pressure to the injectors is regulated. Fuel from the tank enters the inlet of the gear pump and is carried to the outlet or pressure side of the gear pump. The gear pump functions to provide for the transfer of fuel from tank to the engine. From the gear pump, fuel flows to the pulsation damper connected to the pressure side of the gear pump to smooth the pressure pulsations created in the fuel by the rotating gear teeth. From the pulsation damper, fuel flows through a wire mesh magnetic filter to the inlet or supply passage of the automotive governor. The governor assembly performs three functions: pressure regulation, idle speed governing, maximum speed governing. Fuel from the governor flows to the throttle shaft. The throttle shaft allows the operator to reduce the rail pressure and therefore the power to the level needed. From the throttle shaft, fuel flows to the AFC. The AFC assembly controls exhaust smoke during acceleration. From the AFC assembly, fuel flows to the shutdown valve. In the shutdown mode, shutdown valves prevent fuel flow out of the pump. From the PT fuel pump, fuel flows to the injector. With injection completed, the excess fuel is returned to the tank.